I'm Dr. Paul Holler. We're just finishing up and wrapping up our personal injury attorney educational sales workshop. And what that is, it's very specific. It's how to get referrals from attorneys, and that's the mother lode of all personal injury. And it's a workshop, so it was hands-on. So we're here with Dr. John. So how'd it go?
All right, great.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I said it was a workshop, so we did a lot of hands-on, right?
We did.
We went through all the steps.
Yeah, it
okay?
was very helpful.
Okay. And then we said it was personal injury attorney educational sales. So you've been in practice how long?
20 years.
So in 20 years, have you ever interacted with attorneys or tried to get referrals from attorneys?
We have talked to a few of them, yeah.
Okay.
in the past.
How well did it work?
Not very good.
Now, after understanding this, because we explain why advertising and publicity doesn't work and what you shouldn't say, don't you?
Yeah,
Do you now know why it didn't work?
I do. I know exactly.
Now, we also explained educational sales and why it works and works really well, works so well. You know, we gave those we gave what? I gave 7 presentations last year, signed up over 100 attorneys to refer their cases to create over $20 million in referrals. You now can see why, don't you?
Yep, I can.
Okay. Now, what would you say your biggest takeaway from the workshop was this weekend?
Probably the confidence in building value. You know, that we have something to offer
Yeah.
because you went through in detail on how to document it, but also how to explain it, how to discuss it, market it.
And how unbelievably specific and detailed was the educational sales? In other words, how easy was it for you to say the wrong thing and totally destroy the business or the potential for business and not get referrals?
It was really easy.
Right.
Yeah,
And now you know, in other words, there's some things you better not say, right?
That's correct.
You learn that.
yeah.
And then there's some things that you better say, right?
Yep.
You learned that this weekend, didn't you?
We did.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Thank you.